Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your drafts folder is missing from the navigation pane in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you notice it's missing from the favorites menu up here at the top, you just have to right click underneath your email down here. Just right click on the draft item and you can select add to favorites. So that's all the issue was, and hopefully that's resolved it for you. However, if you don't have that anywhere in the navigation menu, something else we can do here, if you close out of here and open up the search menu, type in run, best match, she'll come back with run. Go ahead and open that up. Type in Outlook and then a space / reset folders, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, Outlook and then a space / reset folders. Reset folders should all be one word attached to that / out front. Select OK, and then once Outlook reopens, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.